Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset BMW 3 Series tire pressure. Start with the car stationary and ignition in accessory mode, then check recommended SI on the door placard. Use the iDrive or steering menu to find the TPMS reset option and follow prompts. If your model has a dedicated button, press and hold until the light flashes. Drive gently for a few miles to verify the system relearns. In this video, I will show how to reset BMW 3 Series tire pressure. With iDrive, open the car or vehicle info menu and select Tire Pressure Monitor. Choose Reset TPMS or Initiate Relearn and confirm when prompted, then exit the menu. Ensure each tire is inflated to the specified SI on the driver door placard before resetting. After reset, take the car for a short drive so sensors can relearn and clear the warning light. In this video, I will show how to reset BMW 3 Series tire pressure. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh, clean cabin scent while you work on tires, because a pleasant car makes chores better. If this guide helped, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to reset BMW 3 Series tire pressure. Locate the physical TPMS reset button, often under the glove box or inside the trunk, and press and hold it until the dashboard light blinks. Release the button and wait for the system to complete its relearn process. Confirm every tire matches the recommended SI on the sticker. Finally, drive the car a short distance so the system updates and the warning light clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.